So I got 2 screws here, 1 screw underneath the cup holder. This thing doesn't look to me like it opens, so I'm going to take the 3 screws out and see if this center console will raise. I made these to put the screws so I'll remember it. Center console screw. Unscrewing the shifter knob. Okay. And I'll have to take this boot up over the handbrake and see if it unclips. Apparently it unclips. This side is not unclipping. Don't know what this side is. Okay. Don't know why. It was just stuck. So I'm looking for a wire to the window switch. I can't see it because I don't have any room. And I can see it. Okay. I have to pull that connection out. And it looks like there are 2 of them, unfortunately. On the other video there was only 1. So next I need to try to remove those 2 connectors. Okay, I brought this super bright light and I've got these little stickers here. So I think what I'm going to do is put a American flag sticker on one of them, the wires, and put a boat sticker on the other wire and write down which is which so I can put it back correctly. My plan: American flag and boat. There's actually 3 things that I will have to take out. 3 wires. I won't have to use the stickers because the vertical plug has a blue wire, and this one here was not in the other video. This little one with the candy cane strap wire. I would rate this as very difficult, but I do have pliers. This one just came out with the pliers here. So I don't know about these 2. It's a little harder. I can't see any things that you would press down on. Got the one with the blue wire out. It has a thing to press down. So maybe this here presses down. I have to disconnect 1 wire. Can't figure out how to do it. I found a video from Speedy Garage and they said to use a pointy thing. So I have this awl or whatever it is, and my mother gave me a small screwdriver and she gave me 1 smaller screwdriver, so I'll try those. This one worked that my mother lent me. That worked. Okay, take the handbrake cover boot, try to lift up the center console. Ouch. That was difficult. I don't know how I'm going to get that back. But, there. You can see the center console's out. And this thing is what I want to take out. And you can't see the part number, can you? What does it say? It says NH19 66 350, made in Korea. But that's it.